Have you ever faced a situation where you need to replace a number in a data table, but only in specific columns? It can be a bit tricky, right? Well, today we're going to simplify that process for you. I totally understand how frustrating it can be when you want to make changes to your data, but feel overwhelmed by the options. You're not alone in this. Many people encounter similar challenges when working with data frames. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked how to replace occurrences of a number in specific columns of a data table. They want to know how to do this either by column position or by column name. Sound familiar? Let's dive into the solution together. So what's the challenge here? When you want to replace a number in specific columns, you need a method that is both efficient and elegant. We want to avoid looping through every column, which can be tedious and time-consuming. And stick around. I have a neat trick at the end that will make your data manipulation tasks even easier. To replace occurrences of a number in specific columns of a data table, the user can start by selecting the columns they want to modify. This can be done by specifying the column positions or names. Next, the user should create a logical condition to identify the occurrences of the number they want to replace. For example, if the user wants to replace the number 4, they can use a condition that checks for this value. Now the user can apply the replacement using the assignment operator. This will allow them to replace the number 4 with the desired value, such as 10, only in the specified columns. Finally, the user should verify the changes to ensure that the replacements were successful. This can be done by viewing the modified data table. Fun fact: did you know that data manipulation is one of the most sought-after skills in today's job market? Mastering it can open up a world of opportunities. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution involves using the set function for efficiency. The user suggests looping through specific columns by their positions or names and replacing occurrences of the number 4 with 10. Here's that neat trick I promised. Always remember to back up your data before making bulk changes. It saves you from potential headaches down the line. And there you have it. You now know how to replace occurrences of a number in specific columns of a data table. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.